There's a new program this summer at Hobbs State Park that's designed to help it in the cleanup process from the May 26, 2024 tornado. For $50, you can buy a 2-month permit that will allow you to go to Hobbs State Park, collect firewood made up of fallen trees from that tornado, and take as much of that home with you as you want. The park says this will allow for healthy regrowth of the vegetation there. Now, that initiative is set to run through the end of this year with a chance of it being extended into 2026. You can read much more on the specific rules you must follow if you sign up for that program right now on our website, fox24news.tv. And hundreds of low-income students